Welcome back to Rallyslide, a channel dedicated to the WRC. I'm Gal, a longtime fan of the sport, and today we'll talk about the Group S cars homologation. I actually planned to talk about the Group A era, as it came after the Group B, but since a lot of you have wanted a video about the Group S cars, I decided to make one too. The Group S category was supposed to be the category that replaced the Group B cars, as the Group B cars started to be dangerous for both crews and spectators. The Group S regulations were supposed to be applied at first for manufacturers to compete in 1987, but not in the points, before officially competing in 1988. The Group S rules, in an attempt to reduce costs, stated that just 10 homologation cars had to be built for the road to try and bring more manufacturers to the sport. To try and improve the safety, FISA tried to make limitations regarding the car's power and weight and engine size to make sure that teams won't make cars that are too dangerous to drive again. Sounds good, so why it never materialized? Firstly, a lot of politics from FISA, and secondly, there were a lot of loopholes in the regulations, which meant that although there were restrictions, the teams still had the opportunity to go over them and create again cars with massive amounts of power that would be unsafe for competition. So at the end, FISA decided to ban Group S along with Group B together, which left teams that built cars for the regulations frustrated, as their cars would never see a day of competition, in what led to a lot of fights between FISA and the teams. It must be mentioned that even though there were prototypes which were built, none of them fully applied to the rules of competition, and as a result there isn't a fully clear idea about what the Group S cars would have looked like. At the end, the FIA decided to use the Group A category as the main class, as it had much better safety, which will be used for the next decade from 1987, and this is the class we will talk about in our next video. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more content about rallying. Goodbye.